In Chapter 11, we are going to be looking at professionalism at work. Section 1 is about developing professionalism and business etiquette skills on site and online. Your future employer will expect you to possess interpersonal skills in addition to your technical training. Some of these skills that are expected are complex communication skills, curiosity, creativity, adaptability, resilience, critical thinking, as well as the ability to collaborate and thrive in diverse environments. In this section, we're going to cover a lot of terminology. Most of them you probably are familiar with, but there may be a few you've forgotten about or they may be new to you. The first one is business etiquette. This is a desire to show others consideration, courtesy, and respect. All right, so we're going to look at some of those terms that I mentioned and kind of go into a little more detail. The first one is professionalism. This is a combination of skills. This includes business etiquette or business protocol, soft skills, social intelligence, emotional intelligence, polish, and civility. Desirable workplace behavior is a term that refers to interests or desire of business to have employees who get along and deliver positive results that enhance profits and boost the company's image. Desk rage is a term that I had not heard of, but it is kind of similar to road rage in that it's rage within an office environment. So it's extreme outburst or violent anger in the workplace. And then the last term on this slide is cyberbullying, which you are probably familiar with, a form of bullying committed with digital devices aimed at scaring, angering, or shaming victims. Civility is courtesy or politeness. Polish includes making positive first impressions, shaking hands, improving one's voice quality, listening, presenting well, dining skills, and more. So this covers a wide range of skills here. Dining etiquette is the set of table manners and interpersonal behaviors that are expected of a person while eating, especially during business meals. Social intelligence is the ability to interact well, be perceptive, show sensitivity toward others, and grasp a situation quickly and accurately. So here we're talking about how we handle other people and other relationships in the workplace. Emotional intelligence or emotional quotient is the ability to identify one's emotions as well as other people, empathize with others, use emotional cues to guide thinking and behavior. So that last part, and use emotional cues to guide thinking and behavior. Hard skills, these are technical skills in a worker's field. Soft skills are commonly called interpersonal or social skills, professional skills, or more broadly, emotional intelligence. Ethics is a set of moral principles or virtues. Integrity is following a code of moral values and being incorruptible. How we approach the seemingly trivial events of work life reflects our character and attitudes when we handle larger issues. I'm going to show you figure 11.1, and it summarizes the many components of professional workplace behavior, and it identifies 6 main dimensions that will ease your entry into the world of work. Here are the 6 dimensions. We have courtesy, respect, and here are the 4 items mentioned. One of them, apologizing for errors. Appearance, appeal, here are 4. Or 2 here, and then it lists 3. Attractive business attire, dressing for the job. Tolerance, tact, having self-control is one of those. Honesty, ethics, being truthful is one of those. Reliability, diligence, dependability is one of those. And then collegiality and sharing, showing up prepared is one of those. So this is a great exhibit or figure to have and to keep in mind when you enter the workplace or as you are working. And awareness of courtesy and etiquette can give you a competitive edge in the job market. So that figure that we just looked at, if you will try to follow and have those characteristics, you already have a competitive edge. Workers must manage and guard their reputation at the office and online. This is extremely important when you are being interviewed. Keep in mind that a lot of items about you can be looked up online, so please try to keep it professional and think about what you post before you post it. Thoughtful blog posts, astute comments on LinkedIn and Facebook, as well as competent emails will enhance credibility and show professionalism.